wonderful day out here. I'm so thankful to be alive.
Ooh, that's okay. I'm used to spilling this, man. I love this place out here, man.
Yeah, I do too.
I wish I could live out here, but the rent's so high out here.
Yeah, well, it is. It's pretty high.
It's good for you, man.
Oh, yeah.
Well, look at that cute little squirrel over there. Come here, little squirrel.
This beautiful.
Yeah.
Especially in November. It's real nice.
Yeah.
Real nice.
Yeah.
So how you been doing?
Oh, it's fine. Been down to the pool.
Where are you, little squirrelio? Oh, can't seem to find it.
What's going on?
I don't know. What is it?
What's going on?
I don't know.
I think.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Oh! Earthquake! Oh! Not another tree!